بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، بسم اللہ الفتاح العلیم، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ ڈی سبسکرائبر، امید کرتا ہوں، دل سے دعا کرتا ہوں کہ آپ سب لوگ ایمان اور صحت کی اعلیٰ ترین سطح پہ ہوں گے۔ میں موٹیویشنل اسپیکر، لیڈرشپ، بزنس کوچ، ماسٹر ٹرینر، لینگویج ٹرینر، پروفیسر امیر رضا اینڈ بک ریویو کے اندر آج ہم بات کرنے جا رہے ہیں اسپیشل بک اباؤٹ کریٹیکل اپروچز ٹو لٹریچر، ڈیوڈ ڈیشز، اور اس بک کو میں آپ کے سامنے جو ہے نا آج ریویو کرنے والا ہوں۔ سو لیٹس گیٹ اسٹارٹیڈ۔ یہ بک کی تختی ہے جی، کریٹیکل اپروچز ٹو لٹریچر، ڈیوڈ ڈیشز۔ دین پبلشر ایکنالجمنٹ ہے جی، آل رائٹس ریزروڈ۔ میں پچھلے تمام جو ہے وہ لیکچرز کے اندر ڈیٹیل میں آپ کو یہ بتا چکا ہوں۔ سو ڈائریکٹ چلتے ہیں جی کانٹینٹس کے اوپر۔ پریفیس ٹو سیکنڈ ایڈیشن، انٹروڈکشن، اینڈ دین پارٹ 1 دا فلاسافیکل انکوائری، The Platonic Dilemma, page number 3, chapter number 2, the Aristotelian solution at page number 23, the poet as a moral teacher, page number 50, the chapter number 4, imitation and instruction, page number 73, chapter number 5, the vindication of pleasure, page number 89, chapter number 6, form and the imagination, page number 97, chapter number 7, Platonism against Plato, page number 111 or 111. Chapter number 8, Science and Poetry, at page number 129. Then chapter number 9, The Proper Sphere of Poetry, at page number 143. Chapter number 10, The Poet and His Medium, at page number 158. Part 2, Practical Criticism, Introduction, the Establishment of Critical Scene, at page number 173, Possibilities and Limitations of Method, page number 241, and then History, Relativism, Impressionism, page number 261. Chapter number 14, From Appreciation to Analysis, page number 281. Chapter number 15, Analysis in Action, at page number 297. Part 3, Literary Criticism and Related Disciplines, Introduction, at page number 311. Criticism and Scholarship, chapter number 16, at page number 313. Chapter number 17, Criticism and Psychology, at page number 329. Chapter number 18, Criticism and Psychology, at page number 350. Chapter number 19, Criticism, Linguistics and Anthropology, at page number 372. Chapter number 20, Criticism and the Cultural Context, at page number 383, Epilogues, at page number 396, and the Index, page number 399. So preface to the second edition. Looking through their 24 years after his first appeared, I realized that while there is nothing significant that I should want to change in the discussion of older critics, recent trends in criticism demands some considerations. I realize also that the discussion of Marxist criticism does not adequately take account of the more sophisticated kind of Marxist criticism that have been made available over the last quarter century. I've therefore added a section on George Lucas to the previous brief of account of Marxist criticism, and I have also added sections on what seems to be the two most significant developments in criticism during the period since the book was written. These are new ideas about criticism, archetypal stemming from the seminal work of Northrop Fryer, and influences on criticism of linguistics and anthropology as manifested in the movement known as structuralism. I have also made some relatively minor changes in the text of the original chapters by David Dashes at Edinburgh University. So this is our brief introduction to the critical approaches to the literature, and by David Dashes. So the Platonic Dilemma, I want to read it as for prior knowledge for you. Literary criticism concerns itself with any of several questions. It can ask the philosophical questions concerning the nature of imaginative literature, and in a logical sense, this question should precede all others. For how can we discuss analytical at all unless we know in the first place what we are talking about? Yet inquiries have often asked other questions about literature before they have defined its nature, and ask them profitably too. For the road to understanding does not always follow the most obvious logical routes. The major critical questions we can ask what literature does, which is to define it in terms of its functions and at the same time to suggest its values. We can ask normative, rather the descriptive questions, seeing to discover how to distinguish the good from the less good and the bad among literary works. DYHD subscriber, یہ تھا ہمارا آج کا ولاگ. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity. انسانیت کی بہتری کے لیے ایک قدم اور.